Alright, B. Tires and tubes. Condition at the time of the acceptance interchange. The following condition for the type of the acceptance interchange present if the tire and wheel lugs. The tires and all wheel lugs must be placed on the wheel and service of sustainability tire and rims. Tire and rims must suitable condition for the safe movement of the final destination must conform with requirements governmental requirement agency. Tire market the time exemption. Inspection company tire brand with if and any manufacturer seal number the time size must be evidence for lack of for objects. There must be free of the visible foreign objects such as nails, etc. embedded and protruding from the tire as well as defective listed in Rule 27. Inflation mating. The tires must properly inflated but made with the physical size of the same axle, maintenance and the repair replacement. Trailer chassis owner responsibility, repair, renewals, replacement of the tires and tubes shall be dispensed with the trailer and chassis owner except for the otherwise provided in subsection section F of the trailer. Chassis and owner shall be responsible for the renew tires, tubes necessary due to the following causes: tread depth of 2 and 30 and 32 of an inch or less. Measurement made with the tread groove that not included with the tire tread, the tire bar separated with the separation of the tread, visible blisters with knots, worn out, deteriorated tube, pull up, valve stem cut tube, not associated with section F of section 5 of the damage to the tire. Damage to the tires as a result of being slid flat with the tire which is slid flat with the extent of the flat spot occurs which removes the 432s of the and for 30 seconds for the tread with the rubber compared with the remaining tread with the considered slid flat and it's not necessary for the tire to have loss of air. Handling line responsibility, maintenance of the carrier, the maintenance of the trailer, the chassis, interchange services shall be provided for the maintenance of tire tubes, including the proper infiltration, the repair of all the flat tires, the valve stem, subject to the provision of all the roofs, regarded with the charges. When the tire on the tube is repaired, replaced in the carrier, the possession must inflate all the tires on the trailer and chassis. The manufacturer recommended with the PSI. Ensure all the hoses are reconnected with the automatic tire inflation system. The valve caps must be installed. The unserviceable tires, when unserviceable tires are replaced, other than the owner, there must be a new and newly recapped tire, meeting of the minimum standard, retreading the repairing of the bias of the ply with the radial tires as shown in Appendix B, Section B 14, justifying charge for the owner of the application use of the tires and tubes of the handling care of the prohibited with the considered wrong repair. No charge can be assessed with the trailer or the chassis owner. 4.3 the rims. Exchanging rims prohibited unless necessary to do the unserviceable rim. When the replacing a rim, the rim same time the size must be used in 20-inch tube type of the 20-inch tube type of the 22-inch tubeless or 22-inch tubeless. Serviceable tubes. Where the tire is replaced, serviceable tube flap that is removed must be replied. Unserviceable tubes. When unserviceable tubes are replaced, other than the owner of the tube must be replaced with a new tube. Justify the charge of the unit repair billowing the show of the site, the location on and off, the reason for the replacement. 6. The booting and section vulcanization. Structural repairs, tires of the foreign tires, trailers, the chassis, the booting and sectioning of the vulcanization. Handling carrier is prohibited considering the wrong pair. No charge can be assessed with the trailer and chassis owner. 7. Damages. Handling carriers are responsible for the damages. Fouls, tire sidewall cut, punctured through one or more of the plies of the fabric. Tire shoulder, tread cut out, punctured through one or more of the plies of the fabric, which in the injury is larger than 1/4 of an inch, where the tire should older treaded the puncture through the tire of the causing a 1/4 inch diameter or less injury must be patched from the prior to reuse. Damage of the tire and tubes as a result of being run flat, and to prevent the run flat damaged tires should be inflated to the Appendix B14. Exchange tires, swapping tires due to the flat tire condition prohibited. Multiple renewal replacement terminals and contracted vendors. Renewal replacement terminals contracted vendors for 2 or more tires in the same unit due to the cause listed on the trailer. Chassis owner responsibility. Rule 27A would require the fast electronic notification of the owner of the 2 business days at the time of the repair. The owner provided with the notification information from the listing of the published AAR. Lack of the receipts required notification by an owner, not itself a justification, not for the repairing bill. Repairing, renewal, and replacement procedure. Unit repair bill form. The unit repair bill form the owner show the tire size, manufacturer data of the tire identification number, the entire new tire applied with the recap of the data of the tire identification number for the recap tire applied with the justified charge. The same information must also be shown for each of the tire removed if applied. Available billing also shall show the tire location for the reasonable replacement justified charge. All information pertaining to the identification codes, both on new and recap tires, must follow the federal regulation in accordance with the tire identification record keeping regulation in Title 49 CFR Part 574 or 36 Federal Registry 1196. Inspection collection unserviceable tires. Inspection collection unserviceable tires shall be a matter of mutual agreement between involved parties and in procedures. Retention pond when the tire is removed with the trailer chassis and intermodal facility at an outside repair facility authorized by the railroad. The tire must be maintained with the facility at least 7 days and otherwise agreed with. The tires must be marked, identified with the trailer chassis initial number, the date, and the wheel position circled, defect, and the Y, the code, and the tread depth must also be indicated. C. Landing gears.